Hey friends, another video from the kitchen here. We've got another GE appliance. This one's a long time coming. We've needed a new toaster for a long time. Our old toaster is full of crumbs, it's dirty, it's falling apart. This is gonna be a perfect replacement. So GE sent over their 4-slice toaster. This thing's super sleek, it looks really good on our countertops. We're gonna take a closer look today. I'm gonna give you guys a demo and show you some of the cool features that I really like. As I mentioned before, we need to start off just by how sleek these things look on your countertop. I really like the design. I really like this chrome. It has a couple of really nice touch buttons, as well as some really nice dials that have this good clicky kind of experience. So your overall appliance look and feel is definitely one of quality. It's something that I actually like having out on the countertop. Now, my wife and I typically don't use all 4 slices all the time, but when we have guests over and we're making things like homemade garlic bread, this thing comes in so handy in getting things done quickly. If you look down at these button options, again, they're really well designed. Like I said, you can hear that nice click sound in this little turn wheel for the shade of toast that you want. Again, you can go really, really dark where there's almost a burnt experience. You can go medium all the way down to super light where you just get a really light kind of crust toasting on your bread. You also, when you push down on the handle, you'll get a little light down here and a cancel button. I actually love this feature because I can push it and immediately the toast is gonna pop back up, just in case maybe you had it on too dark of a setting. A lot of older toasters don't have that option. You had to really force up the handle, which can be damaging to the equipment. The other buttons you're gonna find on here are bagel and frozen, and this just adds a little bit of extra time, basically because of the thickness of a bagel or because a frozen piece of bread will need a little extra heat to get to that toast function. Again, when you push this down, you have your shade setting, and then if you use a bagel, you click on this, and as you can see, that button will light up. If you're using the frozen button, same thing. Again, you can cancel out anytime. Okay, so I've got a couple slices of sourdough here. Let's stick these down in. Again, I really like how thick and wide these slots are. These sourdough pieces are fairly thin, but again, we have the option to go bigger. I'm gonna put those in, we're gonna push this down, and why don't we put this on a nice medium shade? I'll do 5 at this point. We'll let that heat up and we'll give it a peek when it's done. And there we go, we had things popped up. I'm just gonna pull this out so we can kind of see. This is just a really nice toast on either side. So again, we can go much, much darker with this, or actually this is perfect for my liking. Let's take a taste. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So for those of you that want like a darker toast, maybe you want some of those toast lines, definitely move it over here to the right. This 5 area is going to give you a nice toast without it looking burnt. So there you go. That is the 4-slice toaster by GE. A really cool little product. You can actually grab it for yourself right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. If this has been helpful, then hit that thumbs up and subscribe. We actually do a ton of these appliance review videos, as well as tools, all sorts of other DIY project videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.